Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Today we have to discuss about why you using the theme independent data layer on your Shopify store. So let's get started. How can you use the theme independent data layer and what is the advantage of the theme independent data layer? If I go to the setting option and see that how can you use the theme independent data layer on Shopify store, and I go to the customer event, and that is the data layer which I created before, and you can see that that is the theme independent data layer I have implemented on the Shopify store, and that is the one-time work. You have to enable your data layer on your Shopify. And why it's for theme independent? Because if you are changing your any theme in future, you do not set up again. For this reason, we called the theme independent data layer. If you do not use the theme independent data layer, you have to use the apps that is um, Elevar apps, and you have to pay every month to Shopify. That is really too much costly, and you have to by month you have to payment to the Shopify to enable the data layer. So that is really too much costly. But if you're using the theme independent data layer, it is you have to set up manually, then you do not pay again and again on Shopify. So that is the advantages of the theme independent data layer. I am set up already theme independent data layer for my client, and that is the container. I have to set up lots of social media. So if you can go to the preview, you can go to the preview option and connect with the website. Go to any product page, and I will open the product. You can see that tag assistant are provided the all event, that is page viewed event. You can find out each and everything, and also the if you go to the view item event, you have to find out the all event parameter and also the event. And if I go to the add to cart, and also you have to find out the add to cart, and you have to also the add to cart and also the all event parameter. And you can see that Facebook, Pinterest, Snap, all of social media, and also the begin checkout and the purchase. All of event you have to find out in the Google Tag Assistant, and you have to easily create any kind of event parameter, event, and also set up the all social media platform. So that is the really huge opportunity to use the theme independent data layer, and that is also provided by Tag Assistant. Our previous theme independent data layer do not provide the Google Tag Assistant preview, and now that is a huge opportunity. You have to find out each and everything, and you can customize your tag triggers and any set up the conversion API for all kind of social media. How can you enable your theme independent data layer? You can just go to the settings option, and customer, then go to your customer event, and you have to go to add custom pixel. Here you have to data layer new and add pixel, and you have to find out a code option, and you have to paste on it the code and save. The pixel are saved. You have to connect the pixel. The your theme independent data layer is activated, and for the activator, so I do not activate it on it because I have already the previous data layer on this store. So I am go to the site. So I am go to your website. You can see the data layer checker plus extension. You can find out this your extension store. So you can see that now you have to go to the settings option, and here you have to put your GTM code, which you have to find out. If you go to the here, you have to find out the GTM code, total code for the head section, and you have to put on the GTM injector and enable the tick mark on it, and also the Shopify customer pixel data tick mark on it, and save. You have to find out Google Tag Assistant. So that is the easy process to enable the theme independent data layer on the Shopify store. So in the next video, we have to set up all social media platform one by one. Then we have to set up all of custom event in Shopify store by using theme independent data layer. So I hope this video is helpful for you. We'll see in the next video with a new topic. Thank you. Take care.